talent show. My family thinks they have talent. First, there's my sister. She thinks she can juggle. Throwing 3 balls in the air and letting them drop to the ground is not juggling. She also thinks she's an actress. I'll give her that one. She sure acts annoying. Then there's my mom. She thinks she can sing. She sings in the car. She sings on the way to swim team practice. She even sings while she cooks. She thinks she can get on American Idol. Who wants a mom going all the same way? Oh, my dad. He thinks he can dance. He thinks he can get on Dancing with the Stars. He dances like Bill Nye the Science Guy. He's like, if I'm done dial. And Dad, you are not Hannah Montana. You should not try to twerk. Until I stick to science, my dad should stick to programming computers. The only one with real talent in my family is my dog, Birdie. Birdie can shake your hand with her paw. She's so smart, she even